Okay, so this is part 284C3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p12, and it's line 22f1fa19c3m, and it's 1b7c8e13c9c6d3p12, Parabola Adequality, and Math 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal, and this is the keyword research for mathematical optimization, parabola adequality, algebra functions about the core of the UFO spaceship from the wild data. Mathematical optimization is going to continue in the next video. So January 24, 2013, today is the 29th. Keywords start from the formula data to Google in the previous video. All these keywords started in this video. Line 22f1fa19c3m, 1b7c8e13c9c6d3p7, and there's at least 10 videos that are keywords. So you want to go from the formula video to find out what the formula is, and then you want to find out what PDF files and results came up to go with those keywords. So it's quite interesting. We find some really interesting inventions as well. So genetic algorithms, nonlinear formula, UFO 5G Wow Seti, January 24th. Recurrent ANN dependency graph is from a previous video. It's a keyword as well. And it's from line 22. Okay, I don't know what happened there. Something's messed up there. Okay, wait a second. Let's go back and make sure this is okay. Yeah, it was just the way I did it. That's all. Line 22f1fa19c3m, 1b7c8e13c9c6d3p12. Dynamic Bayesian networks core UFO 5G Wow Seti. So that talks about the networks of the engine, okay? So the keyword is mathematical optimization plus parabola. So we're looking at the math equations for these engines. The keyword has these graphs with it and leads to more keywords. Here's a graph of the paraboloid. This is the third time we've brought it up, but it's important. The global maximum is indicated by a red dot. Okay? So the keyword is adequality, quote from Wiki. In the history of infinitesimal calculus, adequality is a technique developed by Pierre de Fermat. Fermat said he borrowed the term from Diophontus. Diophontus coined the term. Your guess is as good as mine. Looks like it's Greek or something there. To refer to approximate equality. Adequality was a technique first used to find maxima for functions and then adapted to find tangent lines to curves. The term adequality has been interpreted by some authors to mean approximate equality or equality up to an infinitesimal. There is a disagreement among scholars as to its precise meaning. To find the maximum of a function p x, Fermat would equate, or more precisely adequate, this and that. And after doing algebra, he could divide by e, then discard any remaining terms involving e. To use Fermat's own example to illustrate the method, consider the problem of finding the maximum of that. Fermat adequated, and then it's like long form, short form. Eh? That is using the modern notation. This little guy here. Hey, that's what we use for fog in the weather. Sorry, just don't get caught off the. Well, it is. Canceling terms and dividing by e, Fermat arrived at b. I don't even know what that symbol means in chemistry and physics. You guys know? Tell me. Removing the terms that contained e, Fermat arrived at the desired result that the maximum occurred when x equals b divided by 2. Okay. January 24th, recurrent ANN dependency graph. The keyword had these graphs with it and leads to more keywords. Mathematical optimization is in the next video. So we're continuing those two thoughts. Thanks for watching.